Think you're not pulling the leg to you, you're lifting up towards the leg. And then just walk that all the way back down. Once you're there, arms come by your side, shoulders down the back. Think of pulling that left hip up slightly to square off those hips. And from here, cross the left, circle it around up, hold. We're just doing 3. Cross, hold. 1 more, hold. Reverse that. From here, roll that right back up. Push the floor, squeeze. You're trying to keep the hips stable, pelvis stable. Can you lift that right leg without anything else changing? Lower that down. Left knee up, curl the tail. Right back down. Just 2 more each side. Right, lower, left, lower. 1 more, right. Lift and twist right. Reach that out. Flow a little more. Reach. Up and center. Last one. Twist, slide, reach. And up